everyone. We're going to look at finding the greatest common factor of certain numbers. We're going to look at finding the GCF, it's short for greatest common factor, of 24, 16, and 56. So in order to find the greatest common factor, we need to find the prime factorization of 24, 16, and 56. 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. There's one more 2 there. And 56 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Now, the greatest common factor of a number is of certain numbers is the largest number that can be a factor of each of these numbers. Okay, so for instance, as an example, 2 is a factor of 24, 16, and 56. So it's a common factor, but it's not the greatest common factor. So in order to do that, we need a special procedure. Once we have the prime factorizations, what we'll do is we'll start circling the factors in common. So 2 is a factor for 24, 16, and 56 right here. We can see that. Are there other things that are common? Let's see. There's another 2. Okay, see I circle the 2. That's common to all 3 again. And then is there anything else in common? Let's see. One more 2. 2, 2, 2 here. Okay. So now I want to see if there's a 3 everywhere. There isn't. Are there any more 2s everywhere? There isn't. How about the 7? Okay, there isn't, a 7 anywhere else. So it has to be for all 3. So now we see that there are 3 2s that are common to all of these numbers. So the greatest common factor, or GCF, is whatever is in common. It's 2 times 2 times 2. These 3 2s. So the greatest common factor of 24, 16, and 56 is the number 8. Now let's see if that makes sense. 24 can be divided by 8. So 8 is definitely a factor of 24. 16 can be divided by 8. Definitely a factor of 16. And 56 can be divided by 8. Definitely a factor of 56. So it is the greatest common factor. It's a factor of all 3, and it's also the biggest one. For instance, there aren't any other numbers, that are greater than 8 that are, factors of all 3. For instance, 4 is a factor, 2 is a factor, but 8 is the greatest factor. Thank you.